In this video, we will talk about GPU drivers and how they are installed on your session host VMs. So starting with version 2.5 of the Nerdio Manager, you are able to have the Nerdio Manager automatically install any NVIDIA or AMD GPU drivers when you select an instance that's an NV instance and supports a GPU. So how does that work? If we go to our workspace and select the host pool and take a look under properties VM deployment, you will see that there is an option called install GPU drivers on supported VM sizes. It is going to be checked by default, and the system will automatically detect if you're using an NV series VM. And if you are, it will install the driver for you as that VM is being provisioned. This is very convenient because previous to this, in order to use a GPU, you first had to create an image, then power on that image, install the GPU drivers for the right version, update them to the latest version if needed, then package up that image by clicking power off and set as image, and then re-image your host pool or create a new one. With the new functionality where you select the option to install GPU drivers automatically, this happens completely seamlessly behind the scenes. You never have to power on the image, which means you can use a marketplace image that does not have the drivers installed on it by default, and it will take care of it for you, always installing the latest version of the available GPU drivers based on the selected VM size. Again, another automation to help make your job easier in managing and deploying WVD in Azure. Hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.